Who died on Mount Hor? Aaron. After the Israelites left Kadesh, which land were they refused passage through? Edom. After leaving Mount Hor, what did God send when the Israelites started complaining again? Fiery serpents. What did Moses make that would heal the snake-bitten Israelites? A bronze serpent. What did the people say to Moses in response to the fiery serpents? We have sinned. What did the snake-bitten Israelites need to do to be healed? Look at the bronze serpent.